here it is. Got it. Okay, so red is Sunday. Monday is orange. So Monday is orange, which is connected to carotene, the musculoskeletal system. The note is D. I mean, it's connected to the moon, right? But it's orange is the color for it. So the healing on a Monday. So if you were to wear orange on a Monday, you'd be connected to the moon, and you'd eat orange foods. But now, if you were overly orange, you would do the inversion. You'd eat blue stuff. If you were too orangey, you would eat blue stuff. You know. So like on Tuesday would be yellow, right? So Tuesday connected to Mercury. So Tuesday is connected to Mercury, and the thymus and anxiety and all this. So if you were too yellowy, you'd eat purple stuff. So I think that's probably what my thing is. I was born with jaundice, as far as I was told. So that I'm very yellow, like yellow-bellied, right? And so my adoration for the color purple balances that out, which is very interesting because Mercury connected with the color yellow is very, very interesting stuff. So you would you'd listen to the like on a Tuesday you'd listen to the note E on the piano. You'd multiply the vibration of the yellow. You'd eat lemons and all the yellow fruits, and yeah. And then we'll get into that. Let me get to the end of this here, and then we'll get to that feeding emotions thing. Oh, did I? I'm sorry. So hey, you said Arian Rams. Which day is blue? You get it figured out from right there. So if Monday is if yellow is Tuesday. Green, blue. This will be Thursday, right? Just going over. Orange, yellow. Right? Orange, yellow. Green, blue. Yes, it'll be Thursday. And I'll just tell you a little more about that for the blue. So Thursday, which is the blue day, which is respiratory, it's for your respiratory day, deals with tolerance, relief, acceptance, cooperation, traumatic shock, compulsiveness. Blue builds life force, calm intensity, family, ideas, and it's connected to cellulose, respiratory, tolerances, pituitary gland. It's also connected to your pituitary. It's connected to your hypothalamus, your lungs. The note on the piano is G. The intelligence is music. It's Thursday is connected to Jupiter. This church is Sardis, if that matters to you. The mausoleums for the seven wonders. The Parthenon for the heroes. The Palatine for the hills. Your archangel would be Samael. Yeah. And I did this the other day. Your crystal lattice structure would be the hardest word for me to say. Orthothrombic. There you go. Orthothrombic. Got it. Orthothrombic. I'll get back to that in a second. Oh, Danny making videos? Excellent, dude. Yeah, yeah. William Kyle, you should do that, man. I would love to hear about like that. That would be so fresh to do, man. Like you already got the coding right now, right? So I just gave you Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You can figure out the rest of the week from there. Just go, Roy G. Biv right through the week. Plot that out, man. That'd be sick. See, you know how your different art comes out each day. You know what I'm saying? Like you're amplifying that kind of power. Yeah, purple and gold, purple and gold and green. Those are the three. Yeah, yeah. That's funny. The Tigers down Louisiana. That's well. What Will Kyle Mr. Estes. Emma said she likes that purple. Well, that's very interesting, Ryan Duval. Understand Saturn governs the ego and earnest attunes you to the voice. Cool. Yeah, your ears are associated with what kind of foods? Mushrooms are good for your ears. Think of the shape. Mushrooms and the other ones will come to me in a second. Time nomad? Time nomad for astrology? Since you said, is there a chart with the color and note correspondences? Do you want me to just tell you to you right now and just write them down? Because it's right in order. I'll tell you one more time. Unless you already did that, unless you got that. There's not one specific. I mean, it's in this chart, but it has everything in this chart, which makes it a little more. Wait, actually, there probably is one specifically with just that. But so red is C, orange is D, yellow is E, green is F, blue is G. Purple is, or indigo bluish is A. And then violet purple is B. So there you go. Oh man, we could even get to anatomical photognosis of the plants, their types. Man, that's crazy. I forgot about this chart. Man, wait, he's even got this here. The chromatic halftones and diatonic fulltones of the sacred sounds, the keys, the Hebrew names, Phoenician names, symbols. Whoa, I forgot about this. It's too much right here. There you go. Let me see what I got here. It even has the 12 stones, the 12 cranial gates. So, let's see, for me, as a Gemini, my key would be D. Oh man, this is great. That's crazy. That's why. Oh shit, there it goes. That's why fucking me and Jeannie get along. That's why the Genie's that. Okay. Fucking with me here. Okay. Sorry guys, I just tripped out on some cool shit here. I'll just show this chart to you real quick. Look at this shit. Yeah, I don't even know. Oops. Is it there? Can you see this chart? I'm not gonna let it there too long, but that chart is all the tones, all the keys. So you got sacred sounds, Hebrew names, sons of Jacob, the Hebrew symbols, the Christian names, the Phoenician symbol, the secondary Hebrew name of Ishmael, the 12 cranial gates, 12 stones of the breastplate, the book of Revelation, the transitions from half to full stones. Whoa, bro. Okay, let me catch up to you guys here. So, Unstance, did you get that with the color? I mean, yeah, this is, as Ryan Duval will put it, like this isn't the only thing, but if you can get pretty close with, one system. You got systems all over the world, but they tend to have some sort of base, keys to everything. Yeah, I hear you, Unstance. Yeah. What up, Dreammeister? Of course. Yeah, the digital version I think might be cheaper, Unstance. I mean, I don't know how y'all like doing it, but I mean, it's nice to have it all right there on the thing. But I mean, I got that version too. I just it's hard for me. I like to have it right in front of me. You know, I'd rather have books everywhere and just like find it over there. Okay. Okay. What did I say I was gonna do here? Oh, I said we're gonna do some emotional shit. We got shit. I know shit is emotional right now. I know shit is all emotional right now. Let me see what I can do here. Cause somebody asked me about this earlier. Oh. The human body is designed to be able to clean and repair itself. It's only when it is overwhelmed that a good health goes south and greater self-care is called upon. Every moment of your existence, whether in health or disease, is wrapped in electrochemical matrices of emotional molecules generated by the limbic emotional center of the brain. These neural circuits there causes neurosecretions to create actual molecules in response to emotions. These emotional molecular crystalline structures are an electrical chemistry that isoscellates in frequencies that match anatomical and physiological structures throughout the body. In this, like is drawn unto itself. Simply stated, the chemistry of the emotion we call anger moves through the body as molecules. When we no longer need them, because molecules of calm have replaced their need in the body, they are collected and released. If anger doesn't erupt or it's not released over time, feelings of resentment or hostility can develop, and this can become persistent. This constant state overwhelms the bladder because of negative emotional molecules that wreak havoc. Wow, cool stuff.